Hello my crafty friends, welcome to Origami Tree. This is Jenny and today I'll be showing you how to make this mini gift bag out of one square sheet of paper. To make the mini gift bag, you'll need a square sheet of paper. This is a 6-inch square. Turn it around so that the design or the color side is facing down away from you. Then you're going to fold the sheet of paper in half. Crease it in. Unfold. Rotate, do the exact same thing on the other side, so we're going to fold it in half again. Unfold. And now let's fold it in half diagonally to create a triangle. Unfold. Rotate and repeat on the other side. Now we're going to create our water bomb base. So that is, we're going to take this side over here with our pre-existing crease and we're going to lift up this flap just like this and fold along that pre-existing crease. So we're going to fold it over like that, flatten, so that it looks like this from the top. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side, but this time around I'm just going to push right in towards the center like this. So we're going to follow the pre-existing creases. This one in the back, this one in the front, and then flatten. So that we have two flaps on either side, and in the front it looks like a triangle. So now let's rotate the triangle so that the pointy side is facing down towards your body. And then we're going to fold this tip straight up about 1/3 of the way. Maybe around here, it doesn't have to be exact. So we're going to fold it and crease it in. Now let's take the top flap only on the right side and we're going to fold it over so that this side aligns with the side of the triangle. Fold it over, crease it in. Do the same thing on this side, so we're going to take the left side and now we're going to bring it over to the right side. And there might be some overlap with this. That is perfectly normal. So we're going to fold it over. And crease it in. Now we're going to take this top flap over here. We're going to take this long side and align it with the vertical side. So you're going to take this, fold it in half diagonally, crease it in. Now let's flip the whole thing around and do the same thing on this side. So you're going to take the right side, fold it over to the left, make sure it aligns, everything aligns, crease it in, bring the left side over to the right side, crease it in, take this side, same as before, fold it diagonally to align with the left side, crease it in. So now let's flip it around and we're going to take this little triangle that we made earlier and fold it down like that. So now let's open it up from the inside. So we're to stick our finger right in there. Open it up slightly like that. And we're going to take this flap sticking out, and let's fold it in. I'm going to fold it in the biggest compartment first. So let's fold it over like that. See how it slips right in? And then I'm going to take this triangle and put it into this slot right here. So the one right behind the big fat one. So stick it in like this. And that should lock it in place. So let's do the same thing on the side. We're going to take this flap, we're going to fold it in, crease it in, unfold, and then slip it into this slot right over here to lock it in place. And now let's flatten everything. Stick your finger in the middle, and then you can open it up. And now we are going to close it back up again, just like an envelope. Kind of looks like a little lunch bag. And then you grab a piece of washi tape, put a gift inside, and close it right up. And that is how you make a mini gift bag. If you enjoyed that, be sure you hit the subscribe button and check out some of my other tutorials as well. I really appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!